Let's make this easy vegan spaghetti. You need some water, onion and garlic. I'm stir frying them, and this is blended shiitake mushrooms. I'm putting in some pasta water to make the sauce thicker, and then the tomato paste and blended tomatoes. Here I'm putting some oregano, basil and rosemary, and next I'm gonna just put some button mushrooms and then celeries and more oregano and some black pepper. Now you can adjust the salt to your liking. So basically you're done. And this is optional. You can put vegan cheese if you want. If you don't, it's not the end of the world.